So Max Street Bread Co is a 6-year-old brand, and it was again a cloud kitchen. The bakery central kitchen is located in Ray Road, and that's what it is. In a pandemic when happened, that comes under the essential service, and response was pretty good. Most of the people were ordering online because they were at home and all, and there are hardly any good bakers available in the market right now. And that's what the thing has also come up, then we should come up with a first retail outlet. So we incorporated that in the cafe, and that's what we were known for the butter croissants, almond croissant, pain au chocolat, and even the danishes like ham and cheese croissant also nice. Then bacon and egg danishes, mushroom gruyere danish, onion feta danish. That's what we were known for it. And these are the most popular bakery dishes which people also likes it. And we open at 7 o'clock. Our bakery operation starts, so even if you want to have a cup of coffee with your croissant in the morning, you can start with that, and followed by the 8 o'clock we start a hot breakfast. Also like breads, which are like we known for our sourdough bread basically, and amongst all the customers, like people are liking our sourdough bread. They are in the market, there are a lot of bakers does the sourdough, but amongst them, like our sourdough is better in the quality and in the taste wise. That's what the consistency is all about. And apart from that, we do our separate loaves also. Like we have a pendemi loaf, multigrain loaf, whole wheat pullman loaf, and also, and that's the coffee brand that we use it at the table also and to the cafe also. And of course they really very closely work with us when it comes to our freshly roasted coffees, and they delivered also on a timely delivery also there. And that's what if the freshness of the coffee beans are there. And of course we do have two baristas on the cafe which makes like cafe latte artwork and all that, and it requires a skilled people to take out even from your semi-automatic machine a good quality coffee. It requires the skills. So Max Street Toppings, the whole idea opening a Max Street Toppings was like there was lack of having a concept called like PYT. It's pick your own toppings. So guests can, there are different palettes also, and people likes their combination differently. Every individual. So we thought of might as well come up with a concept called pick your own topping. So we have like 4 different base available in the pizza, like thin crust, thick crust, Napolitana style, and the sourdough as well, and like 6 different sauces which consist like marinara, basil marinara, pesto, and all different types. And we have 16 different toppings available. Start from your fresh veg, poultry, then it comes your some of the marinated stuffs, vegetables, chicken and poultry stuff. So that's what you can make your own combination, and people likes it. And we find it like the mostly people does this is like kids likes to have their own combination. That's why, and that's how the Max Street topping comes up with around 60 toppings we have on the menu. It's like veg fajita pizza, chicken fajita pizza, barbecue chicken, caramelized onion and goat cheese pizza. So we have like 8 to 10 chef recommended pizzas, and plus the pick your own toppings concept. Most experimental, I remember it like people were asking with the like potatoes in their pizzas. Even like that's why we come up with a pesto potato pizza, and that's always on the menu. And there are like few customers like they ask for that specially. Rest of the menu, like some of the Asian food we have it, like we serve it with the curries with the rice. So we have many like veg and non-veg options are also available in the curry. We do pho also, which is we have veg pho, chicken pho and a beef pho available on the menu. And that's what people are liking it like for. It's mostly like they have it in the lunchtime as their proper meal. And apart from that, we have some globally inspired menu as well. In that we serve some of the Italian pastas, we serve risotto, and in a small plate you can see that there is a combination of Asian and a globally inspired menu. So Asian we have a summer shrimp roll, veg summer rolls, corn curd we have it, and chicken wings, all that stuff combinations we have. That's it. It's like a brioche bread. It's stuffed with all of like butter and fresh lobster. That's what we use, and some mayonnaise on top of it. So everyone liking the lobster roll the most. So this is the trend going on in the market right now. Like most of the people are turning a vegan. They care about the animals and all that. So that's why even if you see, we have an option in the coffee. We kept it like almond milk and all that stuff. So people, those who are vegan, they comes for a coffee and all. So we have to accommodate them their request also. So they ask for the almond milk cappuccino or almond milk with their coffee. And also we have a vegan bagel on the menu. That's what like most popular dish amongst the vegan people. And there are few stuffs also that we can do a vegan on the request. That chef is very accommodative for the same. And yeah, there are two Jain options as well on the menu and vegan options also. So the menu is vast. I understand like there are more than 80 dishes on the menu.
I wouldn't know what to pick.
Yeah, exactly. So that's what it is. So basically it is there to accommodate each and every clientele. You know, those who are coming to the cafe, they shouldn't feel like, oh, there are less vegetarian option, there are less Jain option, or there are less vegan option. There is on the menu there is everything for everyone.